Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add automatic subtitles in Premiere Pro. Once you have opened your project, just click on the text window right here. If you don't have it, go to the window tab at the top and make sure that your text is in check right here. Once you have this window, click on transcribe sequence and select the language for your video and just click on transcribe. And it will render the audio data and it will automatically create the transcription. And once you have reviewed that it is correctly transcribed, just click on the create captions button and expand the preferences, and we can set the maximum length at 12 for now, and for the minimum duration we set it at 1.2, and for the line I'm gonna make it single. So you can experiment with these, but you can just follow through with the values that I did. And once you have selected those, click on create captions right here, and then it will create the captions and create the layer on the captions section. So once you're here, you can select all of the captions created and you can change the fonts and increase the size of it and align it to the center and change the colors and however you like for your subtitles to be rendered. That is how you can basically add automatic subtitles in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.